guys, welwelcome to Motor Maniacs. This is Akshay and जैसे आपने पहले वाले वीडियोस में हमारे देखा होगा guys, पिछले साल हमने ये Continental GT 650 प्रिक्योर करी थी and as you all know, a GT 650 right now in India is not just a bike or even worldwide is not just a bike. It's a internet sensation and मेरे को अब इस बाइक के साथ 7000 किलोमीटर मैंने इस बाइक को चला लिया है एंड मेरे जो एक्सपीरियंस है आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंसेस विद दिस बाइक. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द गुड बिट्स. The good bits have to be the engine. The engine has to be the highlight of the bike. Very very responsive, very versatile. चाहे आप इसको लो रेव्स में आप खींच रहे हैं या हाई रेव्स तक खींच रहे हैं, the engine I believe is very very versatile all throughout the rev range. लो रेव्स में हो, चाहे मिडिल में हो, चाहे टॉप में हो. And you have to get the best out of it, you have to rev it past 5000 rpm, and that is what I like, because it gives you that thrill, that top end rush. The engine has that top end rush. And the other thing is not only the engine, because it's a classic engine, it's a timeless engine. The gearbox is as smooth as anything. I mean guys, एक segment higher वाली जो bikes भी हैं, they cannot even match the gearbox action, how slick the gearbox is with the GT 650. Lovely gearbox and engine combination, I believe, highlight of the bike, I believe. And also मेरे को लगता है कि कंपनी ने सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा और R&D इंजन और gearbox के ऊपर ही खर्च किए हैं, which is of course a good thing. The other thing I like is the looks of the bike. It's a very charismatic bike. You won't get bored of this bike very very soon, I believe. ये एक ऐसी बाइक है जो आपको फोर्स करेगी वापस एक सेकंड लुक देने के लिए. जब भी आप इस बाइक को पार्क करते हैं, यू वांट टू हैव अ सेकंड लुक, यू वांट टू टर्न बैक, मुड़ के आप फिर से इस बाइक को देखना चाहते हैं, विच इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी आई बिलीव. अगर इफ यू वांट टू कीप अ बाइक फॉर एंड यू वांट टू कीप अ बाइक फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम, और आप उसके साथ जुड़े रहना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू बी एक्साइटेड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, दिस इज अ क्वालिटी दैट आई बिलीव इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन अ बाइक. की वो एक बाइक में करिश्मा हो, एक कैरेक्टर हो, which I believe this really pulls off. From the past 6 to 8 months, I've really felt that it's a very charismatic looking bike. And the other thing which I like the most is, लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है बाइक्स के अंदर, आरी बाइक्स के अंदर. फ्रॉम द पास्ट, जब से मैंने इसको लिया, there's no problem as such, nothing that I've experienced yet. No wobbling issue, no issues in the engine, nothing as such. So turning out to be very very reliable till now, and hopefully let's see, maybe in the future as well. So that is the good bits, that is what I like the most right now. The bits that I don't like, first of all, it has to be, the biggest problem is the suspension. It is lacking, it is budget suspension. It is जो एक बाइक का कैरेक्टर है, जो लुक है, जो इंजन है, उसको सस्पेंशन सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाती. इट्स अ बजट सस्पेंशन, इट्स वॉलोई, इट इज ओवरली सॉफ्ट. पीछे वाली सस्पेंशन अगर आप प्रीलोड पूरा उसको टाइट कर भी देते हैं, स्टिल द बाइक is not a very good handling bike. It's not very comfortable also. The suspension needs a big upgrade on this bike. It's a big problem. The other thing that I don't like, the quality of the switch gear, or maybe these indicators, or couple of these fit and finish things could have been a lot better. I expect a lot more from Royal Enfield in the future in terms of these little details. These little details really make the ownership experience a lot better. और जब आप 4 लाख रुपए खर्च कर रहे हैं, you don't mind spending another 20-30,000 rupees. I mean, even if RE is asking for another 30,000 rupees and giving you, let's say, a little bit better suspension and better fit and finish and better indicators, maybe let's say plastic indicators on this bike, the ownership experience is going to be elevated a lot. So these little bits I really do think is I don't really like. And of course guys, ये सारी चीज़ें आप खुद कर सकते हैं, better options available हैं मार्केट के अंदर इन सारी चीज़ों को लेके. But if RE can give this from the factory, अगर शोरूम से ही हमारे को ये सारी चीज़ें मिल रहे हैं, the ownership experience is going to be a lot better. The lastly, I would come on to my last point is the customizability of this bike. I don't know if that's a word, but what I'm trying to say is you can customize the hell out of this bike. आप इस बाइक को लेके जो मर्जी करना चाहें कर सकते हैं. जो आफ्टर मार्केट ऑप्शंस हैं इस बाइक को लेके, दे आर एंडलेस. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. चलो मैं मानता हूँ कि बहुत सारी चीज़ों के अंदर कमी है और बहुत सारी चीज़ों के अंदर गैप्स हैं, बट if you are the sort of person who really wants to make their bike their own, if you want to personalize your bike, if you want to customize your bike, right now I believe 650cc जो इनका प्लेटफॉर्म है, let's say Interceptor or let's say Continental GT, has got the most amount of options available in the market. I trust me guys, अगर आप ऑनलाइन जाएंगे ना, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कितने सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. You will get tired out of seeing all the options, which I believe for me is a very good thing because I love the customization bit. So that's all for me right now guys. That's my ownership experience. इसको हम will do a second video of this when I do 15,000 kilometers. Let's see how the bike performs, and hopefully till 15,000 kilometers we'll have a lot of things that I don't like about the bike. We'll fix a lot of those things and we'll get back to you. A lot of customization coming your way as well guys. So thanks for watching the video guys, and do subscribe to the channel, like the video, all that good stuff. Do comment on the video and let us know what you want to see more specifically about the Continental GT 650. Thanks for watching.